In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a contact form in Wix. By the end, you'll have a clean, functional form on your page so visitors can reach you easily. A contact form is one of the simplest ways to capture inquiries without exposing personal details, and Wix makes it fast to set up with ready-made designs. First, log in and open your site in the Wix Editor. From your Wix dashboard, open the site you want to work on and head into the editor so you can make changes visually on the page. Give the editor a moment to load. You'll see your site in the middle and a vertical toolbar on the left. That's where we'll be working. On the left panel, click Add Elements, the button with a plus icon. This opens Wix's library of building blocks, things like text, images, buttons, and more. It's your toolbox for adding new content to any page. If you don't see it right away, hover over the icons on the left. The labels will appear as you move your cursor. From the Add Elements panel, select Contact and Forms. This section is dedicated to form components, and it includes pre-built contact forms that already have common fields like name, email, and message, along with designs that suit different styles. Browsing here saves time because everything is structured and functional right out of the box. Now choose a contact form design that matches your brand and layout. You'll find minimal designs, bold options, and layouts that fit narrow sidebars or full-width sections. Think about what you truly need to collect. Usually a name, an email, and a short message are enough to keep things simple and encourage more submissions. If you prefer a compact look, pick a design with fewer fields. If you want a more detailed form, choose a template with additional inputs you can later tailor to your needs. You can always adjust colors and fonts after placing it, so focus on the structure and overall feel for now. When you're ready, click Add to Page. The form will appear on your canvas, typically near the center. Drag it to the spot where you want it to live, perhaps under your main headline or within a contact section, and use the blue alignment guides to keep everything straight. Resize the form by pulling its handles so it fits neatly within your content area, and make sure there's comfortable spacing around it for readability. Clear labels and enough room around the Submit button help visitors complete it without frustration. That's it. You've added a contact form to your Wix site using the editor, the Add Elements panel, and the Contact and Forms library. From here, you can fine-tune the design and wording to match your brand and goals.